We are working on the 2024 version of StampManage, finishing it up. And one of the new features is we have two new fields for the variety table. The fields are the designer and whether the stamp is tagged or not. Now, obviously, we have to update the database to reflect this new information. So we've been going through the United States to start with. We're going to start with the United States, going through and adding the designer and whether it's tagged or not to the general issues first. Now, to do this, we need to change the values of several varieties at the same time. And we've always had a feature for doing this. You just right mouse click and select properties. Now, before this dialog box, it only had like 4 or 5 fields to change. Now we've added quite a few more, and we may add a couple more by the time the 2024 version is out. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to look at 736, which is a commemorative issue, the Maryland Tercentenary issue, released on March 23rd, 1934. And so the information I'm going to add is the designer of this issue was Alvin or Meissner. And there's no specification that it was tagged or not. So basically the way this works is obviously is you can change the information for several stamps at the same time just by right mouse clicking and selecting properties like you can in any stamps you've added to a collection. So the series is already specified. You can see here Maryland Tercentenary issue. And so only information it looks like we have to change here is the designer. So I entered the designer. I'm going to click OK. And once I do that, you now see when I click on 736, you now see the designer listed. So that's a new feature coming out for version 2024. It should be ready, I think, in December of this year, so before Christmas of 2023. So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.